Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha flavor using an easy method. First, understand that flavoring happens during a second fermentation, which also creates that wonderful fizz. You'll need to select your flavorings, like fresh fruit or juice, and ensure all your bottles and tools are perfectly clean. This step is crucial for a safe and delicious final product. Get ready to transform your plain kombucha into something truly special. Now, let's prepare your chosen flavorings. If you're using fruit, chop it into small pieces. This increases the surface area for better flavor infusion. A good starting point is about 1/4 cup of fruit per 16-ounce bottle. Don't be afraid to experiment with spices like fresh ginger or a cinnamon stick to add depth. Remember, the quality of your ingredients directly impacts the final taste. With your flavorings ready, it's time for the second fermentation. Carefully pour your finished, unflavored kombucha into each bottle, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. This space is vital for carbonation and prevents explosions. Add your prepared flavorings, then seal the bottles tightly. Place them in a warm, dark spot at room temperature, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to begin the magic. The final stage involves monitoring and enjoying your delicious creation. Allow your kombucha to ferment for 2 to 5 days, gently burping the bottles daily to release excess pressure and check carbonation. Once it reaches your desired fizziness, transfer the bottles to the refrigerator. This stops the fermentation process and locks in that perfect flavor. Now, pour yourself a glass and savor your perfectly flavored, homemade kombucha.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.